Welcome to the Find Admission Affiliate portal. Today we will learn how to submit applications directly through the portal. Step 1. Adding a student. Enter the student's first name, which is Paul, and last name is Walker. Enter the student's home address, which is US, Seattle. If the funding is confirmed, tick on the funding source confirmed. In my case, I have chosen to go forward without it as the student's funding is yet to be confirmed. Click on Add Student to move into the next step. Step 2. Selecting a university. You can choose the college and degree level for the student in this section. Let's take a look at each one separately. Starting with institute location. He has access to over 40 different countries. For the time being, let's assume he wanted to study in Canada. He hopes to enroll in order to pursue his postgraduate degree by September. You can help him by selecting postgraduate and September 2023 for the study level and program start date, respectively. He also stated that his budget ranges from $5,000 to $10,000, so you can pick a number and investigate it. Unfortunately, no universities offer programs in this category. You can, however, search for the university directly in the search bar just below. Clear all the filters, and then type Mohawk University into the search bar. To proceed ahead, click on See More Info. Step 3. Apply for the students. Once the university is selected, you can see all the details about it on this page. Information like admission requirements, courses, fees and payment plans, and all other key information are available. Once you have finalized to go forward with this university, click on Apply for Paul Walker. Step 4. Student information. This is a critical step in the entire procedure. Make sure you input correct student's information. After you've filled out all of the fields, click Next to continue. However, before you do so, please ensure that the application fee of $100 is collected as soon as the application is submitted. Step 5. Choose a course. On the next page, you can choose the course for your students. In the case of Paul, for example, his primary area of interest, he stated, is Global Business Management. Following your selection, click Next to proceed. Step 6. Upload your documents and submit them. You need to upload the documents that I previously collected from the students in order to finish this step. The word compulsory in the upload section's top left subheading of each important document denotes its requirement to be uploaded. You will be unable to proceed with the application until the required documents are uploaded. In this case, I'm submitting Paul Walker documents. Things that you have processed may be overlooked if you click on the preview. Ascertain that the student's information, course of study, and required documents are correct and that the upload is successful. Some universities require you to complete an application form and pay application fees. You can even download the application form from this page. In my case, I have completed the application form and am ready to upload it. After clicking Submit, you will be prompted to pay the application fee of $100. I got it from Paul, and I'm going to pay and submit it. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted the application.